Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we have one more box opening, and then this will be it for the box openings for a while. The ones we have been doing lately have mostly been budget lenses. This was not a budget lens. This is the Lumix 70-300 f4-5.6 lens. So let's open it up and see what we got. All right, so top open, we've got the directions. This box. This box includes our lens hood. So we have our lens hood, which is always important when you're using a zoom. So we've got the lens hood in there. And then here we are, the star of the show. I would put it on the camera, but we're recording with the camera right now. It goes on the Lumix S5 Mark II. I've decided to do some recording with it more lately instead of using the G9 Mark II all the time. So we're using the S5 Mark II today. But here is the lens. Now, the 70-200 had a clutch that you pulled. This one doesn't have a clutch. This one just has a manual autofocus button that you switch back and forth. Right here on the side, you can see the buttons. So, and it's brand new, so we shouldn't have any issues with anything. It's not very heavy. I expected it to be heavier than the 70-200, but I don't believe that it is. It feels pretty good. When you shake it a little bit, you can hear the image stabilization there. That's funny. And you've got on the side, you've got your, now this will do, it's not a macro lens per se, but you can get very close. So you've got right here your setting for shooting normal shots, and then down to getting it really close to almost like a macro. Then you got your autofocus, manual focus, and you've got your image stabilization button, and then you've got your lock button so that it don't move. So the only thing that I don't love about it is I don't love it when the lenses zoom out like that. I like for them to be internal, but the price for this lens is 70-300, 4.5-5.6. It's on sale for $8.97 right now. I'll leave a link down at the bottom. That's a couple $100 off. So check it out. I've read really good reviews about it. I just opened the box. I haven't shot any pictures with it yet. I've got a model lined up to photograph, and I'm looking forward to that. The filter size on it is 77 millimeters. And I'm really surprised it's not very heavy at all. I was really expecting it to be a much heavier lens, but it doesn't feel cheap on the other hand either. It feels like it's made really well. So, and that is a nice smooth turn right there. I like that all the way to 70-200. Doesn't jump. Feels just absolutely dead on. It's perfect. So that is very nice. So, and it won't weigh the camera down. It doesn't come with a lens collar, so no worries about mounting it onto the tripod if you have to. It's just not that heavy. And I'm not too worried. Now, on the long end at 300, it is a 5.6.5, but I think at 300, you're going to get so much compression. I think you're still going to get some nice depth of field. So I am excited to get out and shoot some pictures with the 70-300. And again, this is it for the unboxing, guys. After our unboxing today, I know we've done quite a few in the last few days. Our last few videos have been a lot of unboxing, but that just means we've got a lot of cool stuff to get out and use and let you guys see how it works. So anyway, this is it. This is the beautiful Lumix 70-300 right there. Looking good. All right, guys. Well, if you have this lens, let me know if you have it. Let me know if you like it. And let me know if you guys have any questions. If you do, leave a comment down at the bottom. We'll get back to you if we're helping you out. Give us a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. You guys have a great day, and the link will be at the bottom for this lens while it's on sale. Have a great day. Thank you.